Are you over 60? Have you noticed that simple things like carrying groceries or even just getting up from a chair feel a little harder than they used to? It's easy to just chalk it up to getting older, but that creeping feeling of weakness has a name: sarcopenia. It's the age-related loss of muscle, and it's one of the top reasons people lose their independence, develop a fear of falling, or deal with that frustrating stiffness day in and day out. But what if I told you that you have the power to fight back? The amazing news is you can stop and even start to reverse muscle loss without spending a fortune on supplements or starting some complicated diet. In fact, solid research shows you can rebuild your strength and stay independent with foods that are probably sitting on your local grocery store shelves right now. There are plenty of cheap, high-protein foods over 60 that support strength and health. In this video, I'll reveal 7 budget-friendly, protein-rich foods ranked from good to must-have. I'll explain why they work and how to prepare them, and trust me, you'll be surprised by the #1 food on this list. It's one of the cheapest and most convenient you can find. So, if you're ready to feel strong and confident in your body again, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to thrive in your best years. The problem of anabolic resistance. Before we jump into our list, I want to quickly touch on why this muscle loss happens. As we age, our bodies can develop something called anabolic resistance. It sounds technical, but all it means is our muscles get a little stubborn and don't respond to protein the way they used to. So, even if you're eating the same amount of protein as your younger self, your body has a tougher time using it to build and repair muscle. This is why it's not just about eating more protein, it's about eating the right kind of high-quality protein at the right times to wake those muscles up. Adding sarcopenia prevention foods to your diet can help you stay active and independent as you age. The foods on this list are here for a reason. They are packed with high-quality, easy-to-use protein that your body can put to work efficiently. Number 7, let's start with a fantastic lean protein, ground turkey. A single 3-ounce serving packs about 22 grams of high-quality protein for around $1.50. It's a complete protein, giving your body all the essential amino acids to build muscle, but without the high saturated fat of many red meats, making it a heart-friendlier choice. Plus, it's loaded with B vitamins to help convert food into usable energy. It also has key minerals like selenium and zinc. Selenium works as an antioxidant to protect your cells from damage, while zinc is crucial for a strong immune system. Both are absolutely vital for healthy aging. Ground turkey cooks quickly and is perfect for burgers, pasta sauce, or chili, an easy swap to upgrade the muscle-building power of your meals. Number 6 is the plant-based powerhouse, a true pantry staple, beans. Whether it's black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas, these are nutritional giants that cost next to nothing. A can of black beans costs about $1, and a half-cup serving gives you around 8 grams of protein and a huge dose of fiber. It's this protein-fiber combination that's the real winner. The protein provides the building blocks for muscle, while the fiber slows digestion, which helps regulate your blood sugar and keeps you feeling full and energized for hours. Beans are also packed with magnesium and potassium, which are critical for muscle function and preventing cramps. You can add them to soups, mash them into a dip like hummus, or just toss them on a salad. For the price, they're one of the most effective foods for defending your strength. Even on a tight budget, you can find budget protein foods for elderly that deliver real benefits. Our next food might already be waiting for you in the pantry. Let's talk about the humble lentils. Just one cooked cup offers about 18 grams of plant-based protein and a whopping 15 grams of fiber. That fiber is a game changer. It aids digestion, keeps you feeling full, and helps keep blood sugar levels steady, all incredibly important as we get older. But what makes lentils a true muscle-building tool is their unique nutritional profile. They contain leucine, an amino acid that acts like a trigger for muscle protein synthesis, something that's rare in plant foods. Lentils are also packed with iron and folate, which help your red blood cells carry oxygen to your muscles, fighting off that drained, fatigued feeling. Red lentils cook in about 15 minutes and break down into a creamy texture, which is perfect for soups or for those who might have trouble chewing. Brown and green lentils hold their shape, making them a great meaty addition to salads. Number 4, the no-cook champion, canned salmon. Many people think getting healthy fish is expensive, but one of the best foods for fighting muscle loss is waiting in your pantry. A small 3-ounce serving of canned salmon delivers around 20 grams of high-quality protein for just a couple of dollars a can. But its real power comes from 2 other key nutrients: Omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Chronic inflammation is a hidden enemy that speeds up muscle breakdown as we age. The omega-3s in salmon are powerful anti-inflammatories that protect your muscles. At the same time, many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, which is directly linked to muscle strength and a reduced risk of falls. And you can't beat the convenience. There's no cooking required. You can mix it with a little Greek yogurt for a quick salmon salad, flake it over some greens, or make simple salmon patties. It's an incredibly efficient way to get a trifecta of muscle-building nutrients in one shot. To prevent muscle loss after 60, it's important to eat the right proteins consistently. Number 3, the gut-friendly builder, Greek yogurt. Now for a creamy, delicious, and potent ally for your muscles, plain Greek yogurt. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt can pack between 20 to 23 grams of protein for around $1.50 per serving. The protein in Greek yogurt is a mix of fast-acting whey and slow-digesting casein. This combination is perfect for seniors. The whey gets to your muscles quickly for repair, while the casein provides a steady stream of amino acids for hours, helping to prevent muscle breakdown, especially overnight. But here's the secret weapon: probiotics. A healthy gut is essential for absorbing the nutrients from your food. The live cultures in Greek yogurt help ensure that the protein and calcium you're eating are actually being put to work to strengthen your body. Just be sure to get the plain kind to avoid added sugars. Try it for breakfast with berries, or have a little before bed to feed your muscles while you sleep. Number 2, we have eggs. For a long time, eggs got a bad rap. Thankfully, science has brought us back to the truth. Eggs are one of nature's most perfect foods for muscle health, especially for older adults. One large egg provides about 6 to 7 grams of the highest quality protein you can get, and it costs less than 30 cents. More importantly, that protein is rich in the amino acid leucine, which, as we've learned, is the primary switch that tells your body to build muscle. And don't throw away the yolk. The yolk contains vitamin D for muscle strength and choline, which helps the nerves communicate with your muscles. This means better balance, quicker reflexes, and a firmer grip. While most healthy people can enjoy an egg or two a day without issue, it's always wise to consider your own health and cholesterol levels. Boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet, they're a cheap and powerful way to start your day strong. And we've arrived at the number 1 food, the one I promised might be the easiest and most powerful of all. Its power lies in its absolute convenience, which removes any excuse for not getting enough protein. I'm talking about canned chicken breast. A 5-ounce can costs around $2.50 and delivers an incredible 25 to 30 grams of pure, lean protein with zero prep time. Let's be honest, life gets busy, and sometimes you're just too tired to cook. Those are the days when poor food choices happen. Canned chicken is your insurance policy against that. It's your guarantee that you can get high-quality protein on the days you need it most. Mix it into a salad, make a quick sandwich, or add it to soup. Its simplicity is its strength, making it one of the most effective and affordable tools you can have to protect your muscle and your independence. So there you have it, 7 cheap, high-protein foods to help you stop muscle loss. We covered ground turkey, beans, lentils, canned salmon, Greek yogurt, eggs, and the ultimate convenience of canned chicken. Choosing low-cost protein foods over 60 makes it easier to stay nourished without breaking the bank. Staying strong after 60 doesn't have to be complicated or break the bank. With the right nutrition, you can still build muscle after 60 and feel stronger every day. It's about making small, smart choices every day. The fight for your strength, for your freedom, can start with your very next grocery list. And remember, consistency, not perfection, is the key. If you want more tips like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps the channel grow, and you will get more content just like this in future. Also, share it with someone you care about who wants to stay strong without overspending. But don't stop here, because in my next video I'll show you 3 powerful cheeses that can fight muscle loss just as effectively. You won't want to miss it.